Hello y'all, Uncle Michael here. I am coming to you from Madison, Kentucky. That's right, I left the Morrow Yard this morning and I have made it to my stop. And I'm gonna stop. This is Pilot, which is right next to, what is that? A motel? Looks like a motel. And somebody got some good ideas around here. Hey y'all. So I wasn't able to get a haircut. The guy said that he was gonna be there at 9. I got my load assignment at 8:40 something. Needed to be picked up in Kennesaw, Georgia at 10. So, needless to say, I missed that haircut. So there's not much else I can do about that. But I'm at work. When it's time to go to work, it's time to go to work. That's what I did. And there go Mabel way over there. Way over there. There's a lot of parking here right now. I kind of like this. Yeah. I bet y'all say, what you doing in the back of the building? I'm just showing y'all around, that's all. That's all. Okay. Anybody see anything or know anything, let them know. Get your reward. So we got fuel aisle right here. Come through this way to get to the parking over there, I guess. That's where I came through anyway. Looks like they got a little maintenance shop here. And this is the front of the store. Here. Yeah, I was a little disappointed about that haircut, man. But I get another chance here in about a week, I believe. We'll see. So I guess if you go around, you can come back through this way. Now you can go in there, and then there's parking over there. Like somebody got a government contract over there. Kentucky, y'all. Kentucky. Alright. So now we're gonna head back to the truck. Get in the truck and get ready and call it a night. I got about 4 more hours to go, and then I'll be at the receiver, and I'm going to Danville, Illinois. That's where I'm headed. Danville. Like I said, I got about 4 hours to go. I did pretty good today, coming through Atlanta traffic again, and just had a little bit of the mountains, not too much. Somebody got a nice truck over there. I see that red and white over there, and then you got the flag over here. I wonder how long them guys been driving trucks. Most of the times, they put a lot of effort in those vehicles. They're really proud of them. That one looks like the one from the Stephen King movie right there. I kind of like those though. That's an International, I believe. Okay. Head back here in the cut with Miss Mabel. Chilling. All right, y'all. Just quick video, let you know where I am, what I'm doing. So I will get back with y'all later. I know I forgot to tell y'all that I love y'all. You know I do. And no, still ain't nothing you can do about it. In the last video, I forgot to say that. But y'all know. Got y'all at heart. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all take care of yourselves tonight. Enjoy yourselves. Just do a little self-love tonight, you know. Good old soaking bath, hot shower, wash your hair, lotion up good, cut them toenails and cut them fingernails. You know how we do. Alrighty, y'all. Y'all take care. Like I said, I love you. There ain't nothing you can do about it. Appreciate you.